Hello folks, I welcome you all to the 21st episode of Walk the Stock. I'm Rupak and I represent iFinStrats. Now the stock which I've picked up for you today for our analysis is yet another great stock from the automobile sector. As you all know, automotives are doing fairly well in the past couple of months. So I've been trying to pick up stocks which the indices which are doing good. So related to that, I'm just trying to pick up some of the stocks. So today's stock which I've picked up from the automobile sector is one of the good stocks to keep probably in your portfolio as well over a period of time, is called Hero Motocorp. Hero Motocorp is a stock which has just done a 2.99% upside today in today's market, intraday. The stock is trading at 5145.20 as we speak, and the stock has showcased some good amount of strong momentum here. It has also done a positive breakout on an R2 resistance to its LTP, which also means that the stock is kind of breaking its resistance at the CPR levels and showcasing some good momentum. Uh, the stock has earlier made an all-time high of 5,168.6, which means that it is trading now at a very close levels to its all-time high, and rather it has probably broken the all-time high already once now, and the stock is trying to showcase some good price action for us to really look at it and see if we can make some kind of a position in the stock if the analysis says so. The stock is relatively a good beta, sitting at about 0.92, large cap, market capitalization of 102,000 crores. So I think it would be wise to see the analysis of this stock today and see if we can really uh, pick a position in this stock. But again, just a disclaimer, I am not CB registered and I am doing this for just educational purposes, and I strongly recommend that you talk to your financial advisor, do your own analysis before making any kind of position in stock like Hero Motocorp. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the charts of Hero Motocorp and see what Hero Motocorp has in store for us. Okay, guys, so we are on the monthly chart of Hero Motocorp. If you see, Hero Motocorp made all-time high back in September 2017, which was about 4,091 rupees, and then from there it took almost about 7 years or 6 years rather for it to break the all-time high of 2017, which it broke in December 2023. Uh, this is where I just want to point. This is the all-time high it made back in 2017, and 2023 December. This is where it broke the all-time high, and after that it has been resisting after making an all-time high again on February about 4949 rupees. It has been resisting around that number for last almost, if not more, at least about 4 months. And in the month of May, for the first time on a monthly basis, the 4949 price point has been broken on the upside, and that's kind of becoming a good news for Hero Motocorp, which means that the stock is turning really bullish because now it is starting to trade in this uncharted territory. So let's drop it down to the weekly chart and see what is in store for us in the weekly chart. And here you go. So the stock in the last 2 weeks, third week of 13th of May and now in week of 21st of May, has been consistently trading above the previous all-time high of 4949, which is good news. Let's look at on the daily chart, and yeah, if you look at the daily chart, now this is something very interesting. Couple of things let me show you here. One, the stock is consistently making higher lows. Second, the the stock, after breaking its highs of February, it has created a lovely price action, and as this high gets broken, I think it'll start shooting up from here in the next coming days and weeks. And I guess it could turn out to be an excellent swing trade, even though the company is a large cap company. But then, having said that, the kind of price action it is showcasing now could turn it to be a very strong bullish uptrending stock. Let's also see that one more thing to see here is that, of course, the stock is traversing over 55 WMA weighted moving average, which is another good news. So anytime the stock comes closer to 55 weighted moving average, it makes a bounce back. Comes close, makes a bounce back. So that's where, again, it is traveling above 55 WMA, and it has really created some kind of a good bullish price action. And I guess this is the right time to make a position in this stock. Let us look some other indicators as to what they say. And yeah, as I said, look at this. The RSI is on daily basis is already taking support on 60, and it is showcasing some kind of bullish momentum. From the ADX perspective, the both the blue line and the green line, which is basically the ADS signal line, and the green line being the positive directional movement line, are traveling above 20 reference point of ADX, which gives it a big thumbs up to be a strong uptrending stock. From the larger or the broader uh, index perspective, the relative strength of the stock is much better, which is where the green line is traversing over the orange dotted line. Good news again. Let's also quickly look at um, the on balance volume. And yes, the on balance volume, if you see, is pretty stable, and it is kind of showcasing a little bit of an up move, obviously traversing above 50-day moving average. And as the price is giving some kind of an up move here, the on balance volume is also showcasing good buying strength. So all in all, it's a good story in making for Hero Motocorp. And I guess with this kind of price action, which we just discussed a minute ago, I think a good stock to keep in your radar, and be ready to take position in this stock. But of course, take your financial advisor's view, do your own analysis. This is all what I do, is an analysis just to educate all of you as to how we, from the point of view of technical analytics, we look at a stock and we make probable positions in these. So having said that, I guess this is what I wanted to showcase to you today as Hero Motocorp, and hope you liked my analysis. And if you liked it, please do like, subscribe, and share our channel iFinStrats. We have lot of more stuff coming in the times to come. You will see a lot more learning happening on our channel, and hope to see you again tomorrow. With that, take your leave today. Goodbye.